Good morning everyone. Hello folks. What's up? What's up? Did you miss me guys? So I'm gonna show you what I have this morning today that I'm gonna cook. It's not a lot but the different kind of menu today. So what I'm going to show you guys first. I already I had my beef, a trim menu, caldereta, beans with sausage, and I'm gonna fry eggplant with, barrio fiesta bagong. So first, this one I already boiled. This is the ingredients of caldereta. Pinapalambot ko na po siya. I'm boiling to make the beef a little bit soft or tender, guys. So later, it's not gonna take time for me to make it soft. So this is the ingredients. Of course, I had here potato, carrot, just some, and then garlic, chopped onion, then bell pepper. Then this is the beef cube. Beef cube, if you do still, want to add more, of course, magic sarap and caldereta mix. Oh, I forgot to buy pala the sauce, tomato sauce. Oh my goodness. So later, this is just what I'm wondering, guys. I feel there's something missing, so that's what I'm going to buy later. Of course, I had peanut butter here. This one, I'm gonna put some Jif, the peanut butter, guys. Oh, it's still another in the liver spread, guys. Okay, so this is the ingredients I'm gonna buy. This is what missing. I'm sorry, guys. Buy liver spread and then the tomato sauce, guys, for the caldereta. Right? So if I have missing something, you can just put a comment on later and then tell me how could I make my caldereta best. Okay, but this is just my version, guys. Next is this is the red beans. Beans is very beneficial, like for the prevention of cancer. It's a lot of protein in it, and etc. etc. It's very good beans, guys. The peanuts, all kinds of beans is good. So I'm gonna saute this one, the red beans, and then I bought Hungarian sausage, guys. I'll chop it later in a small pieces, and then this is just my garlic. I'm gonna saute it just like that, and I'm gonna put some, of course, cayenne pepper. Also, I could use it here with the caldereta, and then of course I'm using basil leaves. Just prevention. It's all good. Try to search what's the benefit on it, and then this one, a black pepper. All of this, the three of this, I could use also to my caldereta, but I'm sorry, I just miss to buy the tomato sauce and liver spread. I'm gonna get some, guys, and then I'll to make it complete in a little bit worth it all what I'm going to cook today. So next is, I bought this from the grocery. I also wanna cook the fresh bagoong or bagoong ginisang alamang, whatever, but I had this. I could save a little, then I'm gonna fry 4 pieces of eggplant here. So I'm gonna fry it, just dip into that, and then I'm gonna cook, of course, white rice. And I have here the brown rice. This is what I'm eating, guys, but because I have some visitor today, I have to cook white rice, guys. So all of those ingredients that I prepare for now, I'm gonna use for my menu later. So far, let me go live in a while and get some tomato and liver spread for my caldereta. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna make it complete and tell you guys if it is done. I'm gonna show you if I'm already cooking and ready for preparing it for our table later. Thank you, guys. Miss you all, and stay tuned. I'm gonna be back in a minute. So ito na po siya. Here's my caldereta, beef caldereta. So what I just, dahil pinalambot ko na po siya, hindi na ko na siya masyadong ayun mo yung pinalambot pa dahil nilaga ko na siya with I put together with the potato, carrots, and then the liver spread po, and then this is the tomato sauce, and then the caldereta powder. Of course, if you want more to add some, may beef cube na po siya. You could put a little this one. So, ayan, nagpiprito na po ako ng talong. Kasi po, may isa pa akong luluto. And then, last part is this one. Ilalagay ko po yung huling part, yung ito po, yung bell pepper. And then, lalagyan ko po siya na cheese. So, just stay there. I'll be going to finish this so you could see. Last part na po siya. Papakuluin ko lang ng konti. Guys, caldereta is very easy to simple instruction. You can do at home for the family. I just cooked some because this is just the leftover of the beef I bought last time, so it's okay na. Then, if you want more, you know, tastier or what, you could just put. Give me a minute. Okay. It's really hard if you're cooking a lot, but it's fine. So there. Then I will put some cheese, guys. Ito po yung pinakang, if you want more tastier, guys, cheese. Bago nyo po siya hanguin, cheese for your caldereta. So, here's the finalization, guys. You could just make, this is just my own version. If I miss something to put the ingredients, you could comment below, guys. So at least I could put more next time. So here, the final ingredients I could put, guys, of course, turn off. So, you know, because the more the heat of the stove could make a little more, you know, soft or whatever you wanting for your menu, guys. Lastly, for the aroma, this one, the bell pepper, guys, is here. So, sa ibabaw na lang po siya. So, hindi mo naman siya kailangan ilagay habang niluluto, just because for the aroma. Okay? So, here's my caldereta. Very simple. I already mentioned and prepare all the ingredients, and guys, it's simple to cook. Okay? Give me a minute, because I have to proceed my eggplant. Oh my God, I am so busy now. So, here, I will show you the final, guys. This one. Here's my caldereta na po. So, I show you the ingredients now. I'm proceeding with frying of the eggplant. Next, I'll show you the final menu that I'm going. Okay? Stay tuned. There you go. Here, guys, it is all the menu I cooked for today. This is the beef caldereta, this one. Then, you know, already the ingredients I've shown you before I started cooking. And then this is the red beans with sausage. It's good, guys. It's so healthy. This one, I have tasted before. It's so good and very beneficial for our health. The beans, sabi nila yung beans is just not good for the gout. This is the wrong mindset, guys. Check the benefit of the beans, red beans, any kind of beans, sa peanut. It's really good protein and prevention for cancer, for being impotent and everything. There's a lot of benefit of this one po. Take a look. I just didn't cook it so often, but it's good. You can just try. Just buy any kind of beans, guys, and it just red or what. I use red one. Then the sausage. Saute it with the olive oil, of course, the oil in the garlic, and then fry a little, make, you know, toast the, what do you call that, the sausage, and put the beans. That's it. Put some a little if you want more. It does already taste, but if you want more, some a little, you could just add. It depends upon how your taste like it. So it's good. Try it. Very simple. And then this is the eggplant, guys, fried. I'll mix later with the Barrio Fiesta Bagong or the alamang here. So this is our viand, guys. So simple, a bit expensive, but it's so good and healthy, guys. I don't use to eat rice much. That's why I used to prepare to eat this one. I could, but I have my brown rice with me. So healthy. Keep living healthy and make our life stay enough well to live as much as you can. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please give a thumbs up and share my video later, and put a comment on whatever you want me more to do in kung may kulang ako, if there's something I didn't put or what. So it's up to you, guys. I'm open and to accept all your comments and suggestions. Love you, guys. Bye bye. Take good care of yourself. Stay happy, live and choose to have our heart which is very forgiving. Love you all. Bye-bye. God bless you. Mwah!